My name is Ruben Ramirez Martinez. I'm a proud student at Rocky River High School, and this is my senior story.
So you ready for the game?
This is my last year of high school, and all these years have gone really fast. Senior year has been full of surprises, taking a lot of tests. JROTC is special to me because it's like a family feeling. You get into things, you meet people from freshman year and go all the way to senior year. You get better at everything you do. When I have this uniform, I have this feeling of pride, responsibility, respect. The AP Calculus teacher is one of my favorite teachers here because she's always helping.
So a lot of these students don't really know what to do when they hit something that they haven't seen before. Ruben has just jumped right on board and figured out what to do.
She will always try to help you no matter what. Another class I've taken is AP Psychology. I started getting interested in drones because my colonel was telling me about it, and also I wanted to get my FAA license so I could maybe take that into the military and might go to Air Force or Army. The Junior Achievement, a program I do for little kids about money, making choices about spending money. They look at you as a mentor. Soccer helps you build a team, communication skills because you need to communicate with your teammates. The National Honor Society induction, I just felt really proud. When I heard my name, I just got goosebumps. The profession I want to seek is something related to engineering, most likely computer engineering.
So it's up to him. Whatever he chooses, whatever path he might want to take, he could definitely achieve.
Colleges I'm interested in are UNCC, NCANT, UNC Greensboro, ECU. And graduation is going to be amazing.